In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the appearance settings in Microsoft Teams to make your workspace more comfortable and suited to your preferences. Whether you're trying to give your screen a new look or simply want to reduce eye strain during those long virtual meetings, switching to a dark theme can make a significant difference. Let's dive into the process. First, find your way to Microsoft Teams in your web browser. Once you're there, look at the top right corner. You'll see three small dots, often known as the More Options button. These dots hold the key to accessing a variety of settings, so click on them to proceed. After clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. What we're interested in here is the Settings option, so go ahead and select Settings. Now you're entering the hub of customization options where you can tailor Microsoft Teams to your liking. Within the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side and click on the Appearance option. The Appearance tab allows you to tweak the visual structure of your Teams interface, providing a variety of options for customization. Under the Appearance tab, you'll see another drop-down menu. What we're looking for in this drop-down is the Theme settings. It's where the magic happens in giving your interface a fresh look. Click on it, and the list of available display themes will expand. At this point, you have a choice to make regarding your theme. For a sleek, modern look that might be easier on your eyes, especially in low-light conditions, I recommend selecting the Dark option. The dark theme is not only popular for its stylish aesthetics, but also renowned for minimizing glare, potentially reducing eye strain, and making colors pop more vividly. That's it. You've successfully switched your Microsoft Teams to the dark theme. Enjoy your newly personalized workspace. Remember, these settings can always be altered back or changed to another theme if you decide to try something different. While adjusting the theme might seem like a small change, it can greatly enhance your overall experience and productivity in Microsoft Teams. Simple tweaks like this can make your digital workspace feel more personalized and comfortable, encouraging prolonged focus during your work sessions. If at any point you wish to revert back to the original theme or explore other options, just retrace these steps. Feel free to experiment with different settings until you find what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in to this quick guide. If you found this helpful, do like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital experience. See you next time. See you next.